Hello everyone, this is Rachel live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. Now, shares are down in the early part of trading, but not as severe as the intraday plunges on Wall Street overnight. The S&P ASX 200 index lost 0.9% at the market open. Shares in technology company Kalkine gained 18.7% on its first half profit upgrade, which the company said was a record interim result. Beach Energy shares dropped 5.3% on its production result. Myer shares are up 2.7% to outside the benchmark on its trading update. The A2 Milk Company has put on 6%, while Frontera upgraded its milk price guidance this morning. Looking at some ASX announcements from today, the Zip share price is rising this morning. The buy now, pay later provider shares were up 1% during the morning trading session after they confirmed speculation they are interested in acquiring rival Sezzle. However, no details have been provided in respect to the potential prices it would pay to acquire its BNPL rival. The Zip board revealed that it's always on the lookout for transactions that will deliver value to shareholders. And Kalkine first half sales rose 32% and net profit was up 21%. It's expected to be around $50 million. The conscious decision to invest in increased levels of inventory places the group in a strong position as the company enter the second half of financial year 2022. Kalkine's results will be out on the 17th of February, including the outlook for the second half. The acquisitions of DTC and Zetron both exceeded the company's first half profit expectations. And Fortescue expects to ship 180 million tonnes to 185 million tonnes of iron ore in financial year 2022 and net direct cash costs of $15 to $15.50 per wet tonne. Fortescue has shipped 47.5 million tonnes of iron ore in the first half of financial year 2022, marking a 3% increase from the corresponding period and a record for a half year. And Myer Holdings says total sales from the 1st of August rose 12.3% compared with the same prior period, with strong demand in the lead up to Christmas. Online sales jumped 53.4%, accounting for 27.7% of the group's total sales and up from 20.2% in the corresponding period. Myer said the Omicron outbreak has had a negative impact on trading since Christmas. And the Accent Group share price is edging lower today. That's following the release of a trading update by the company. Customer traffic was soft in January and there had been a marked downturn in the last week of December, where store traffic and sales were well down on expectations. In morning trade, the shoe retailer shares were down 2.84%. This means the company's shares have now lost almost 15% in value over the last month. And finally, Beach Energy says in its December quarterly update that production in million barrels of oil equivalent fell 7% below the prior quarter due to a combination of natural field declines and maintenance. Well, that's all for now for the early trades, but stay tuned to Kalkine TV. We have many more shows lined up for you, sharing all the latest updates across the economy, markets and sectors. This is Rachel signing off for now.